Target.
Yes. What can I do?
What can you do?
Yeah.
You can do anything you want to do. What do you want to do?
I am fat now. No partner.
You're my partner?
No partner.
You can be my partner, but please don't be my partner because I don't want you to fart near me.
Oh, yeah.
Please don't fart.
I want to sit here.
I'll watch that word. Watch that word closely because if you shit near me, I will never let you sit near me if you shit near me.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, maybe I'll call you a little shit, but
Maybe.
please don't shit near me.
Yeah, smell. No good, yeah.
That's right. The smell is no good. But watch that, whether it's smell or smile.
Oh, smile.
Because when you talk about terthenium, I'm thinking smile. But when you talk about smell, Mabo. What are you talking about over there, Boule? What? What?
Bon bungut. Bon bungut. Bon.
Yeah.
Bungut mulut.
Yeah.
Bau mulut.
Yeah.
Bau.
Are you talking about it like I have a
Smell mulut.
stinky mouth?
Oh, stinky mouth. But stinky is artist, man.
Not in America. If you say anything about stinky, people are sure you're talking about an odor.
Oh.
You know what an odor is?
I don't know.
An odor is something that smells.
Oh, deodorant.
It's not. Deodorant? Yeah, probably. You're so smart. You are so darn smart, I can't believe it. What a brain you are.
I don't know.
That means you're smart. What a brain.
In my head.
I hope if your brain is in your butt, you got a problem. Your brain is in your head, right?
Yeah.
What's in your butt?
My butt. My butt maybe in English song.
You're right. Hopefully. Because if there's not, you would have a big problem.
Sing other song too.
That's right.
Nyanyi-nyanyian.
Sing other song, out of masala g'day. You got a big problem, my boy.
Big problem. You are crazy, but I know.
Yeah, but I've been hanging around with you for too long.
Oh.
Hanging around with you.
Hang out.
Hanging around.
Hang around.
No, it has nothing to do with around. You and I hang around together all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Magabu?
Yeah, you are right.
We hang around together. Bersama.
Different ways. Hang out, yeah. Hang out.
Hang out, yeah. Jonah likes to hang out with his friends.
Oh, hang out. Like glindeng, hang out? Maybe?
No, usually when you hang out, you just stand around and ngomong kangen kau.
Oh.
Together, you're together with your friends. Hang out is usually younger people. They hang out together. But you and I have been, what did I say, hanging around together?
Hang around together. Maybe keliling. Hidup bersama?
No, just bersama. Just bisa di mana-mana. We can be anywhere together. We're together a lot. We hang out together.
Hang out? Hang around?
I guess. Yeah, they're pretty much the same.
And my neck hang.
Oh, I hope you're not going to hang by the neck. Then if you're going to hang by the neck, you're going to be a goner.
Oh.
A goner. You're going to be dead.
I always, hey. Somebody say, computer hang.
Computer hang.
Cannot play game.
No, crash.
Crash.
Not hang, crash.
Somebody say, hang computer.
I've never heard that. Maybe, but I never heard it. And I think you told me that you hear something. Did you say hear before?
Yeah, I hear.
Okay, make sure you say
Hear.
Hear.
Oh, hey.
Hey. Yep.
Yeah.
Not hey. Hey.
Hear.
Do you know what hey is? Hey is something that we feed to our horses. We feed them grass that is already dry. You use a tractor, you cut the grass, you put it in a hay bale. Yeah, you get it. But hay has nothing to do with here.
Oh, here. Yeah. I understand now.
Can you hear me when I'm over here?
Yes.
Where am I?
You still over there?
Yes, I'm here. You're there.
Yeah.
Who's here?
Who's?
We're both here.
Yeah, both here.
But he's over there.
It's bottom.
What?
Bottom. Oh, no, bottom. Bottom.
Bottom?
Bottom. Under? I go in my bottom.
Look at it, here. Hopefully, this isn't in your bottom because this is your bottom.
Oh.
You're sitting on your bottom.
Different, yeah.
This is Ida Bagus. Ida Bagus.
Bottom. My,
he cannot be at the bottom. He is to go.
I mean, bot on.
What?
On.
On what?
To buy you. To buy you. On to buy you. Maybe my friend confused. Gone.
Yes, it must be fried. Your brains are definitely fried today. Crashed. Maybe your brain crashed. Like a computer crashes.
Oh, yeah.
I got really scary the day before I left that my computer crashed.
Oh.
And everything on it was gone forever.
Oy.
Gone.
Well, maybe virus.
Maybe, and I was so sad.
Yeah.
I was extremely sad. I was extremely, very, very sad.
What is
Very, very.
extremely?
Tell you what, sad.
Okay.
I was worried.
Very, very sad.
Extremely. Extremely sad because
extremely
because
sad.
if my computer crashes,
Yeah.
hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of letters
Oh, yeah.
of targets are gone
God.
forever, never to appear again. So I think I will print them, and we will have a book called
Yeah.
Our
Good
Letters.
idea. Yeah.
And who would read them? Agus would like our letters. Our email letters, they're pretty funny.
Yeah.
Every day.
I read.
You'd read them?
Yeah.
I'd read them.
Oh, yeah.
Aji?
No.
He doesn't want to read them. He'd find them very boring.
Yeah, very boring.
Totally boring. The most boring thing he can imagine. Okay.
I feel no good about it. I make Aji borrow with
Bored?
board.
This year, it was okay. Aji didn't have to listen to your voice over and over and over.
But my face always in
Oh, that's right.
in computer.
That's right. He had to look at it every time he walked.
Maybe if mangkuyase,
Yeah.
see, tetakut. It is tetakut or statue, good
Yeah.
statue.
Yeah.
Target is good statue. Make primitive.
I didn't understand that.
Maksudnya,
Explain a little bit more.
yen mangkuyase
Yes.
ninggalin itu,
Yeah.
yang dianggap tetakut untuk di ngulah kedis tuh cocok.
Your photo?
Oh.
Oh. Maybe we should make a statue of Target over there.
Cocok gak sih?
Let's listen and stop at any time that you don't understand something.
All I understand, but I
Okay, but still.
repeat again. Yeah.
But usually, I understand most of your meaning, but if I really listen, there's words I don't understand.